Mya, are you ready for your box? Don't worry, you'll like this box even better than that one. He can't wait till I'm finished. He really likes it. Yeah, it's so big. I'm not done, but you like it? You like it so far? It's a double-decker. It's roomy in there, huh? This was a lot more work to put together than other ones I've done previously, but it's humongous and it's totally worth it. Are you gonna come check out the box that I just took forever to put together? Or are you gonna stay in this box that it came in? You look very comfortable though. Look what I made for you. It's so big, even for big kitties. And unfortunately, I have it for the right side of the TV, and the holes are on the left side, but there's also ones in the front, so I just put it out a little bit. You like it? I'm just going with all of our other decorations. Max, how about you go on the top one? Mya's in there. Look. Check out the top. Look at that. Ooh. Now you both can be in there. You can share. And there's an escape hole just in case. Mya will be back. She just doesn't like being close to Max. He can be a little bossy. What do you think? I think he likes it. It's so cute. You want to get in the box that it came in? You're so silly. Once your brother leaves, I know you're gonna love it. He's cleaning himself. He's so happy. And Mya's so happy. They're sharing. Kitty's happy. Mama's happy. Cute cats. She's like, will you stop filming and just let me sleep? You say hi, Hazel. Hazel has a Halloween collar that she'll wear soon, but not yet. Oop, I woke them up, but I wanted to show they're sleeping in there now. So they like it. Happy cats. I'm working on videos, and Max and Mya are still in there sleeping. They've been in there for at least an hour now. So I'd say they like it. Uh-oh, I'm waking them up. Nighty-night, kitties. And Hazel's sleeping next to me. They all live quite the life. This doesn't look comfortable. There you go. Your brother's below you. Are you making noise in the apartment upstairs? You love it? You look so comfy.